You got the camera there, huh? You got it on movie mode. Paddle. Oh, paddle? You don't need that. All right.
Look at these guys. What are you thinking? What are you thinking, Mavy? Maverick!
If this kind of works, looks like there's places where we could probably pull in all day. But anyhow, give it a try. Yeah, let's see if it fires up like it did before. But anyhow, if it works, I'll do a couple runs along the water over there for photo op. All right.
He's going in. I can tell you right now. He's going in. He is going in. Oh, Lordy. All right, let's go walk out on the deck. Uh-oh. Oh, there he goes. This is going to be a disaster. When he puts that thing in the water. He's redoing it now. Jerry, go record him. Go record him.